Hi, my name is Rick Sanchez. I'm with a company called Tractor Tip, and what we have for sale here today is a Caterpillar 613C Series 2 scraper. We're going to talk a little bit about the mechanics of this particular machine, the first clip, the operating specs in the second, and we'll run it in the third. Price on a new machine these days, if I'm not mistaken, a new scraper is running up over $600,000. This machine currently has 6,460 hours on it. The weight of this machine is 33,655 pounds. The widest point is actually that the outside of that bowl right there, which is 8 foot 1 inch. The highest point is the top of that cab at 9 foot 8 inches. And the transportation length from the front of the bumper all the way to the end of the bowl is 34 feet. You know, the weight of this machine is 33,655 pounds, but it's got a payload capacity of about 30,000 pounds. So maximum fully loaded, this machine is about a 60,000 pound machine. As far as the history of this unit goes, this machine, like most of the machines we purchase, is an original owner Dallas, Texas machine with no rust. The contractors that own this machine, we bought a package of equipment from them. They are a worldwide company. They do big construction projects all around the world. But like I say, this machine has lived in Dallas its whole life. We're far enough south and 300 miles from the ocean, so we don't really see any salt at all, except the salt on our kitchen tables. This machine comes, again, from a large, well-organized, worldwide contractor that has got a bunch of projects here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. They had a comprehensive maintenance program that rivals some of the best I've seen. We, as well as our customers, have been happy with all the equipment that we purchased from these guys, and it should be said that before I buy any machine, I have my mechanics thoroughly inspected, and if the money's right, then I go out and I inspect it before I write a check. You know, one of the interesting things about scrapers is that scrapers are the cheapest and most productive way to move dirt. There's no machine that comes even close to as far as a per unit basis and tons moved on a scraper. As far as options go, this machine's obviously a paddle wheel scraper. You know, it's an enclosed cab. It's got AC, it's got cold AC. It's got a keyed battery disconnect. As far as the engine goes, I'm going to jump up and show you the engine. Okay, as far as the engine goes, there's your battery disconnect switch. That's kind of helpful if the machine's going to be sitting for any length of time. You can just turn that off so you can avoid a slow battery drain. This is a 3116. It's a bulletproof 3116 Cat engine. It's 187 gross horsepower, 175 net horsepower. That engine's in a lot of Cat machines. It's an extremely popular engine. This machine has got a 66-gallon fuel tank that will probably run you, I don't know, 10, 12 hours depending on your application. So here's your battery case right here. It's obviously a 24-volt system. This machine is mechanically sound. There's no leaks. Everything on it works. Top speed on this machine is 22 miles per hour in forward. It's got 2 miles per hour in reverse. Brake stop it on a dime. There's a little wet spot right there. That's from the condensation on the air conditioning system, which like I say, the AC blows ice cold. The tires are about 85%. There's no cuts on them. They're 23.5 25s. They all match. The hydraulics on this machine are strong. There's no cracks or welds anywhere in the work equipment. Show them in there. All of the pins and the bushings are relatively tight. There's very little deflection. There's almost no deflection in this kingpin area or articulation joint. So you can see that blade there is about 85%, and the paddles are probably 85-90%. As far as the dimensions of the bowl go, the bowl is 7 foot wide. Okay, it's 7 foot deep. So 7 foot deep, and to the top there, it's 7 foot tall. It's got a capacity of 30,000 pounds or 9 cubic yards. The maximum depth of cut for this for the bowl or for the scraper is 14.5 inches. It'll cut 14.5 inches deep is the max, and I think I said that the width of it is 7 foot wide. We're gonna run it in the next clip. Okay, so this is the inside video of the cab. You can see all the gauges work. Forward and reverse. Here's your operation for your bowl. There's the seat. View from the back. Ice cold, so that's something to be mentioned. I think I mentioned it a couple of times. That's great because we're in 100-degree days here in Dallas. video here, see I'm moving, I'm in third gear, but there's no error codes or anything like that coming